Okay, question 21D is also another tricky question, talking about relating some issues, but the verb doesn't quite, you'll see what I mean when we get into it. Okay, so let's have a look at the question, all right? So it says outline how cyclic redundancy checks, CRC, can be used in this system. Now, what are they really asking? I think what they're really asking is, do you know what CRC is? And when we do networking, we do look at all the different types of error or collision detection or error detection when we're transmitting data. And CRC is one of them. And CRC is a way in which where it sends a data packet, but it also sends a division of that data packet, and it's checked on the other side. Now, CRC is about transmitting and receiving. It's about sending data across a network. Now, where in this scenario or in this system is there anything about sending data? Well, it's obviously here. The new system will allow drivers to retrieve, update, and display their license details on a range of electronic devices. So where would we use it? Well, we're going to have to use it here. Now, the verb is outline. So what we're doing is to outline something. It is, I'll show you here, it's sketch. Sketch in general terms, indicate the main features of. So what you would do to answer this question is you would explain what cyclic redundancy check is, or outline what it is, or define it really, and then say, okay, it's going to be used here in where they're actually using electronic devices to update their license details, or they're retrieving their details or whatever. So let's say you get pulled over by a policeman for a random breath test, and you're asked to display your license. Then you would probably pull out your mobile phone. You would use obviously a 4G network, and that's where the CRC cyclic redundancy check would occur. So if we look at the marking guide for this, we would see that, go back to 21D, it says outlines how CRC can be used in the system, or just identify a feature of CRC. So you could say what CRC is. So you could say, it sends a data packet and sends a division, and then it's checked on the other side. But then if you outline how it is used in this system, so you would say, in this system, and you'd mention things like the driver and downloads and the license, here in this sample answer, that's what you would do. So 1 mark for identifying a feature of CRC, 2 marks for how, not only identifying the feature of CRC, but how is it used in this system will get you the full marks. Hope that helps.